Unit 1 Family. Reading A. The Tethered Blanket. Family. Look at the picture and answer the questions that follow. First question. What do you observe in the picture? What type of family do we find in our present society? Why? Third question. Which family do you like? Why? Now let's start the lesson. A. Reading. The Tethered Blanket. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car and got down at the gate, his mother, who was laying in an armchair on the veranda, made a futile attempt to get up. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate, she said. Somebody is in a car. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow, who was sitting huddled up on the veranda, her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, got up reluctantly, walked slowly to the gate, and, squaring up her eyes, peered into the darkness. She saw a built, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. "Oh, Gopi," she said in her grating voice. "Why this sudden, unexpected visit, Kamala? Who is it?" her mother asked loudly from the veranda. "Gopi," the man said. "There was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back." "Who, Kamala? Who is it?" There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. "Amma, why are you so scared, Kamala?" Gopi's elder sister asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. "Amma, it's me, Gopi," he said again. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. "Amma, it's me, Gopi, Kamala. I cannot believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Amma is often like these days. She does not recognize anybody," Gopi's sister explained. "But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asks me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala, and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? Poor thinking. I would not dream of making her unhappy. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am also on my foot, and there are 12 quite often. I did not get any time to write letters. Why do not you ask Vimala to write, or does not she get any time too?" "What are you mumbling over there?" Amma asked loudly. "I heard somebody coming in a car." "Who is it?" "I told you it's Gopi." "But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he?" "Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi." Who did Gopi marry?" Amma said suddenly, lowering her voice. "I mean, what's his wife's name?" "Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Do not you remember Vimala, District Collector Nambiar's eldest daughter?" Gopi's sister said. "Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today?" "There was. He writes every day." "I am terribly upset if I do not get a letter from him every day. He knows it. That's why he writes every day." "Look at the way she tells." Gopi's sister turned to him. "Just as I told you, you know nothing about what's going on here, do you?" Who is that? Amma asked again. Who is that in a car? It's me, Gopi said. I had to come to Tiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? No, it is quite near. I do not know how I can bring back her memory, Gopi's sister said to him expectantly. Gopi placed his briefcase on the tana. He opened it and pulled out the contents, clothes, files, a shaving set. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. He is in Delhi, a government officer. He has Kasar Yogam. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Tell him to send me a blanket. There is a cold mist in the mornings. If I caught cold, it does not leave me for a long time. Tell him to send a blanket. Wouldn't you? A red one. I had a blanket, the one he bought for me when he was studying in Madras. It is all tattered now, just a ball of knotted yarn. Tell him to send me a red blanket, will you? I will tell him. He nodded. Please do not forget to tell him. The mist is not good for me. I think I will stretch myself hour of a bit. I have been sitting too long in the armchair. I have a pain in the neck. Gopi's sister put Amma to bed and came back to the veranda. You do not come to see Amma, did you? Delhi is too expensive. You know, I have 4 children to look after now. I cannot make both ends meet with my salary, and one has to keep up one's status. It will be a great help if I can raise some money by selling my share of the family property. I came to talk it over with you. I will sell your land and go away with the money. I know you wouldn't come here anymore after that. Did not say that I will come when I get time. Your time. He saw the irritation on his sister's face. It took you more than 5 years to find time to come here. Amma is 83 now. I did not think she will pull more on much longer. It took you so long to visit here after the last time, but Amma cannot remember who I am, he said, smiling feebly. But do you remember your Amma? Written by Kamala Das.